Hello children. Till now you have heard some direct speech and indirect speech questions. Normal sentences. First topic is normal sentences, and next questions. Questions with the WH words and questions with the yes or no questions. So when WH questions are given, what should you use as a conjunction? The same WH word you have to use as a conjunction. Next, when yes or no questions do you get when you get yes or no questions in direct speech, then what should you use? You have to use either if or whether. Okay, now let us go to the next topic, that is exclamatory sentences. What is exclamatory sentence? Okay, so a sentence which has a sudden feeling or sudden expression is called exclamatory sentence. That sentence will have exclamatory mark at the end. Okay. Wow, what a beautiful dress. Oh, how beautiful you are. Oh, nice dress. Oh, nice scenery. These all are called exclamatory sentences. Sudden feelings, sudden expressions. Okay. So when these type of sentences are given in direct speech, how should you write? What do you write? Next, see, when these type of exclamatory sentences come in direct speech, you have to use conjunction that. In questions, did we use that? No, we did not use. When WH questions are given, we used same WH word as a conjunction. When yes or no questions are given, we used if or whether as conjunction. But now again when exclamatory sentences come, you have to use that as a conjunction. Okay, next, said will become exclaimed. Why? Because that direct speech, the reported speech, the dialogue will be with exclamatory mark. When the reported speech means the dialogue in the quotations is with exclamatory mark, by seeing that dialogue you have to change the reporting verb. Okay, what is the reporting verb? Said or said to. When the reporting verb is said, the report when the reported speech is with exclamatory mark, then the reporting verb will be exclaimed. You should not write said that or said to or told, whatever may be. You have to write exclaimed. Okay, when the reported speech is with exclamatory mark, the reporting verb will be exclaimed. You should not use said. Okay, next, said will become exclaimed. Next, said to will become told. You know this. Okay, said to, whenever, if you in exclamatory sentences also, if they give said to, you have to write told. Okay, next, the exclamatory sentences in direct speech must be changed into statement form. See, the question, see here. He said, how clever I am. We gave exclamatory mark and quotations, and this reported speech must be changed into a normal sentence. Again, we should not use any exclamatory mark or any punctuations like quotations or commas. We have to remove all exclamatory mark, quotations, inverted commas, everything, and you have to write it into a normal sentence. How do you write? Now see, first example. He said, how clever I am. He exclaimed that he was very clever. He exclaimed that. In the place of quotations and comma, we use one conjunction. What is that conjunction? That. How clever I am. Again, don't use how. Okay, that I means who? He. He exclaimed that he was very clever. Now let us go to second example. What a lovely garden you have, said she said. Okay, now see here. She said. Say, sometimes reported speech may come this side, right side or left side. Whichever side the reported speech comes, you have to change in a normal way. Okay, you should change in a normal way. Okay, now see here. What a lovely garden you have, she said. Okay, now see here. She exclaimed that I had a very lovely garden. What a lovely garden you have. You means who here? When they don't give any other name, you have to think that is told for you only. It is told for you only. Okay, she said, what a lovely garden you have. Means she exclaimed that I had. Have will change to had. Present tense will change to past tense. A very lovely garden. Okay, she explained that I had a very lovely garden. Now see here, what a beautiful girl you are, Lata said to Radha. Who said? Lata. Said to whom? Radha. What did she say? What a beautiful girl you are. Who is beautiful here? Radha. Okay, so Lata said to Radha, what a beautiful girl you are. Then Lata told, said to means, said to will change to told. Lata told Radha that she was a very beautiful girl. She was, you can say she was a beautiful girl or she was a very beautiful girl. Anything is correct. Okay. Lata told Radha that she means who here? Radha. Who was beautiful? Radha was beautiful. So she was a very beautiful girl. See children, I'll give you some worksheets. The questions are very easy. Okay, you might find it here difficult, but in worksheets you can do the worksheets, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, don't worry. Okay, unless you practice more and more examples you can't be thorough. Okay, now next let us go to the next topic. You understood exclamatory sentences. For exclamatory sentences we use that as conjunction and we use the reporting verb as exclaimed. Okay, now let us go to the next topic, imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences, ma'am? You may get it out. Imperative sentences are nothing but sentences that have command, request, order, advice, wishes. Okay, see your mommy says bring those books. She orders you, or your teacher says get out of the class. What is that? Order, command. Okay, next, request. Please help me. Your friend asks, please will you help me in writing notes? Please can I have your pen? Okay, will you come with me please? Okay, the word please indicates request. Okay, wherever you find please, that word indicates request. So here in imperative sentences means the sentences which have command, request, order, advise. Your friend asks you to read the newspaper. Hey, you read the newspaper today, it's very nice article is written. Means your friend is advising you. Your teacher says read these books, they are very good, you get a nice moral. Advice. Okay, so wishes, may God bless you, may you live long, or many happiness of the day. If anybody wishes you, okay, that is also imperative sentence. Now let us see the examples. He said to his servant, post these letters. He ordered his servant, post these letters. Actually we say ordered the servants. We command, do this one and come, you do that and come. Generally we should not order, but sometimes in some officers and all they order their assistants and all. Okay, so actually see here, he said to his servant, post these letters. Then he ordered his servant to post, these will change to those letters. He ordered his servant to post those letters. Next, Madhu said, read this book. Madhu advised me to read that book. Madhu advised. Madhu said, read this book. Read this book means what is that? That is one advisor, isn't it? Madhu advised me to read. This will change to that. To read that book. Okay. Next, Gopi said, please help me. Gopi requested. Please is a request. Gopi requested me to help him. Gopi said, please help me. Who said to help? Gopi said, please help me. So, Gopi requested me to help him, or Gopi requested to help him. No need me also then. If you can write me, okay. If you don't write me, okay, no problem. So, Gopi requested to help him. Whom did he request? Me. Okay, if any person's name is not given, you have to think it is for you only. Okay, next. He said, long may you live. This is what, see, if you, children, actually when your grandparents ask you to they ask you some tea or water or bring something for them, so you go and give to them. Then what do they say? God bless you, dear. God bless you, my child. Long may you live. They pray for you, isn't it? Children, we have to take the blessings of elders, children. Nowadays money will not work out. Many people think that money, but blessings are the most essential things which we want in the life. Always take the blessings of elders. Try to respect elders. Take the blessings of them. Do the service to elders. Do the service to the poor. Okay, so here, see, one thing I want to say. He said, long may you live. He prayed that I might live long. At least per day, take one blessings from anyone. Per day, one blessing. Have that habit. Inculcate that habit in you. Okay, children? Now, see, he said, long may you live. He prayed that I might live long. Okay, he prayed. What do we say? Prayed. That I might. May will change to might. Live long. Okay, or he blessed that I might live long. You can say that one also. Okay, so I think you have understood this, children. So all present tenses will change to past tenses, amma. Don't worry. And next, if it is an order, you write ordered. If it is a request, you write request. If it is advice, you write advice. Okay, you got the difference between advice, request, order, isn't it? Now let us go to the next topic, the last final topic in the reported speech. When the reporting verb is in 3 types, we should not change the tense. See, here for everything we have merits and demerits, isn't it? So here also, can we clap hands with one hand? No, we have to use 2 hands. So here also there are some tips. We don't need to change the tense. Where and when, we should not change the tense. Till now we change all present to past, past to past perfect, past continuous to past perfect continuous. We change everything. But in these 3 cases, you are not supposed to change the tense. What are those 3 cases? Present tense, present perfect tense, future tense. Present tense, ma'am, you told present tense will change to past tense. Yeah, but here, see here, when the reporting verb is in present tense, there present tense will change to past tense, means there the reporting verb will be in past tense, said. The reporting will be with said. Then we change to past tense. But here the reporting verb is says. Then you are not supposed to change. If the reporting verb is says, you are not supposed to change the tense. See, he says, I am writing. He says that he is writing. Never go to he was writing. Out of tension, in a hurry, you write he was writing. No, you are not supposed to go for that. You have to go for he is writing only. Why he is writing? Because here the reporting verb is says. In that tense, present, simple present tense, the reporting verb was said. SCID, said. But here is says. When the reporting verb is says, the same reporting verb comes down and we have to use conjunction, and tense will not be changed. Only pronouns will be changed. Only pronouns. I will change to he. Am, is writing. Okay. Next. Present perfect tense. Actually, present perfect tense will change to past perfect. In that tenses, it will be given said. Okay. But here he is saying has said. In that model, I told only said. Ram said, Gopi said, I have eaten a mango. But here what is there? Has said. This difference you should know, children. When compared to that tense and this tense, you should know the difference. There I did not give has said. Here I am giving has said. So Gopi has said to her, I am writing a letter. Then what should you say? Gopi has said to will change to told. Gopi has told her that he, I means he, am is changing to am only, is. Okay, present tense to present tense only. He is writing a letter. Did you understand the difference? There, present perfect changed to past perfect. There I gave reporting verb as said only. Only reported speech will be I have eaten a mango, I have gone to school, I mean whatever may be. Okay. But here no have, the reporting verb. See the reporting verb and see the reported speech and reporting verb. Okay, the reporting verb is has said. Okay, see this, and then change. You are not supposed to change the tense. Gopi has told her that he is writing a letter. Next, the last point, future tense. Future tense is will say. When you get reporting verb as will say, you are not supposed to change the tense. I am right. He will say I am right. He will say that he is right. He will say that he is right. So says, has said, will say. What are the 3 points you have to remember? When the reporting verb is with says, has said, will say, you are not supposed to change the reported speech tense. The reported speech will be same whatever is given. If it will be in present tense, present tense. Okay, I think you have understood. If you have any doubts, you can put a message to me, children. Okay, thank you.